Material and ingredients: 175 grams of chocolate, almond slice, 1/6 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of coffee, 60 grams of butter, half cup of flour, half cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, stencil paper, right pot, measuring cup and measuring spoon. 1. Put 60 grams of butter and 175 grams of chocolate all together in the jar. 2. Melt it by boil water and stir them.
'Whip 2 eggs into the bowl. Put a half cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of coffee into the same bowl and stir them together. Pour the chocolate mixture into the bowl, stir them together. Mix a half cup of powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/6 cup of cocoa powder, and stir them together. Mix two mixture together.
Cover the stencil paper inside of the light pot. Pour the mixture inside the pot. Make it smooth and sprinkle the almond slice. Cook it for 1 hour. Finally, we did it.